I'm Rodney with Thornton Grooms. I'm a plumbing supervisor here. One of the things I'd like to talk to you about is slow drains. And one of the most common problems is a slow sink drain in the bathroom, which is typically caused by a hair blockage, or sometimes you get soap buildup in it. Yeah, as a homeowner, there's a couple different things you can do to try to free up your drain. One of them is using a plunger, but a plunger and a sink full of water can get a little bit messy, so you might want to be a little bit careful with that. There's also a couple little products on the market that you can purchase, and this is one of them that helps grab hair and kind of free up a drain and get it draining for you. It can be purchased at any hardware store. It's usually a couple bucks. And it's something you can try as a homeowner before you end up giving us a call. Okay, so here we're at our sink, and I'm going to show you how to try to use this thing. What we want to do is try to remove the stopper. Some stoppers are locked into place by the pop-up rod. If that's the case and you pull on it and it won't come out, then you can try to use this by going around it and shoving it down in, pulling it out. Hopefully that grabs it's typically a hair clog, grabs it and frees you up. If you can remove the stopper, it'll allow you to get this little gadget down there a little bit farther, shove it down in, pull it out. Oh, and we have a little hair right there. Hopefully that gets you draining. If it doesn't, then chances are the blockage is a little bit farther down the line, and that might be a good time to call out your Thornton Grooms drain technician.